to demonstrate how to add checkboxes in both Excel for the Mac OS and for Numbers, which is the Mac version of Excel, and it comes free with all your Macintoshes. So let's start with Excel. This is the one most people are probably coming here to see, is how to add a checkbox to an Excel cell. Because if you go in there with the basic setup, you'll notice there's nowhere to add a checkbox. Nowhere. So how do you add one? Well, the first thing you need to do is add the developer tab. And to do that, go to where it says Excel, click on it, and then click on Preferences, and then in the search bar, type in developer. And once you type in dev right here, you'll see it says developer tab. Just click on that. And then down here at the bottom where it shows in ribbon show, just check the developer tab and then close this out. And now your developer tab is there. To add a checkbox, you want to select developer, and then you'll have a checkbox option right there. If you click on that, this will allow you to click into an area you want to add the checkbox. And you'll see this checkbox does come with text. If you want to keep the text, if you want to remove it, that's up to you. And then you're just going to drag and drop this to where it needs to go. And of course, I've already messed up. Look at that. Look how easy that was to mess up. You need to drag and drop it exactly where it needs to go for the first time. Now, if I copy and paste, what happens? Nothing. Nothing happens. So what's going on here? Why isn't this working? Well, it is a pain, isn't it? So let me Control Z to get back there and just kind of demonstrate how this works again. I want to add a checkbox. So I click on checkbox, click in the area I want it at. Now you have to drag and drop it specifically to where you need it. And then you can add or remove the text just to leave the checkbox in the cell like that. Again, I have no way of copying and pasting it standardly. So this might be something you have to do per checkbox. It's a pain. Now I'm going to show you why I prefer Numbers over Excel. And this isn't the only thing I prefer Numbers over Excel for, but this is one of the things I definitely do. So when I click on Numbers here, if I want to add checkbox, I don't have to do one at a time. I can select every cell I want to add a checkbox to. Just click on Format, and then under the Cell tab, you'll see Data Format. Just use that drop-down menu and select checkbox. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Now we have a checkbox in here. That's it. That's how much easier it is than Excel. And people, when they first check out Numbers, they get intimidated because it looks way different than Excel. It doesn't have all these tabs up here. That's because it's very simplified and it makes things easier. Learn Numbers. Anyway, that's my rant. That's me showing you how to add checkboxes to both Microsoft Excel and the Numbers app within the Mac OS system.